If you're looking for the best smart thermostats for home, you've come to the right place. These models target comfort, energy savings, and easier daily routines. Remote control, scheduling, and learning features help reduce idle heating or cooling. They suit homeowners and renters wanting more automation without complex installs. Your local climate and system compatibility change real benefits. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 5. For basic temperature control, this manual thermostat keeps things straightforward. Suuwer Non-Programmable Thermostat suits homeowners who want to twist a dial instead of navigating menus. It handles common 2 to 5 wire HVAC setups, so installation is often easier than smart models. You adjust the temperature directly, which removes confusion over settings and schedules. This design means fewer buttons to learn and less time fiddling with menus. It is ideal for someone needing simple, no-fuss climate management without Wi-Fi or app controls. The layout stays clean with clear markings and a stable dial for daily use. If you prefer hands-on adjustments and a low-budget entry point, this manual option can fit your lifestyle. It earned a spot by delivering dependable, uncomplicated temperature regulation. Number 4. Ideal for renters and homeowners wanting set-it-and-forget-it temperature control, the Sensi Smart Thermostat focuses on adapting to your routine. It learns your heating and cooling patterns, automatically adjusting settings to cut energy bills without daily input. You get voice control through Alexa, which lets you change temperature using simple commands when your hands are full. This suits people juggling work, family, and chores who still want a comfortable home with less effort. The design targets easy installation for many standard systems, helping you avoid complex setup. It earns its spot by combining practical scheduling, Alexa compatibility, and clear daily convenience. If your goal is steady comfort plus gradual bill savings, this thermostat aligns closely with those needs. Number 3. This option focuses on straightforward automation for everyday heating and cooling control. It is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart thermostat that learns schedules and adjusts temperatures to reduce heating and cooling bills by 8 to 16%. Setup uses your Wi-Fi network and the First Alert app, which lets you change settings from anywhere and automates energy savings without constant manual input. The interface and scheduling tools are designed to be simple, so renters and homeowners can usually manage installation if they are comfortable with basic HVAC components. It earns its spot by combining wide app features with clear, measurable efficiency gains, especially for those who want scheduled climate management without a complex installation. Number 2. This thermostat focuses on precise room sensing for more consistent temperatures. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium uses remote sensors and sunlight detection to reduce hot and cold spots. That matters because doors and furniture can block vents, and this approach helps rooms match their intended use. It includes built-in Alexa, so you can adjust climate with your voice without buying extra hardware. The app shows energy reports, helping you see patterns rather than guess about savings. It supports learning schedules, geofencing, and smart home routines, which suits renters or homeowners who want centralized control. Compared with cheaper models, the included sensors make a difference for multi-story homes or irregular layouts. For someone who wants clear visibility on usage and flexible control across ecosystems, this unit can slot into an existing setup smoothly. Number 1. This model focuses on gentle, gradual climate adjustments instead of sudden temperature swings. The system learns your preferred patterns and tweaks heating and cooling automatically, helping you avoid unnecessary runtime. You can check and change settings from anywhere using the app, which suits busy renters and homeowners alike. It works with common HVAC systems, though some older setups may need extra adapters or wiring checks. Clear scheduling and usage data help households track trends and trim energy use over time. Many choose this option because it blends straightforward controls with practical savings, especially for those wanting guided setup and consistent updates. Overall, it fits people who want steady comfort without fiddling with complex thermostats every day. Smart thermostats each bring distinct features and compatibility to different households. Budget-focused, performance-oriented, or larger family needs will guide the right fit. Reviewing specifics like scheduling, sensor options, and system requirements helps match a unit to your home. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.